Imagine waking up one day and your doctor's an AI. Your car drives itself and robots do most of the work. Sounds like science fiction? Actually, it's already starting to happen. Today, we'll explore 10 future technologies that could completely change our world. Let's begin. 10. Flying cars. Companies are already testing flying cars. These vehicles can avoid traffic by taking to the sky. In the future, daily commuting could look completely different. 9. AI doctors. Artificial intelligence can now detect some diseases faster than humans. It helps doctors analyze X-rays, MRI scans, and medical reports. The future of healthcare is becoming smarter every day. 8. Self-driving cars. Cars that drive themselves are already being tested on public roads. They use cameras, sensors, and AI to avoid accidents. One day driving may become optional. 7. Brain-computer interfaces. Scientists are developing technology that lets people control computers using only their thoughts. This could help people with paralysis communicate and move devices. 6. Delivery drones. Imagine ordering food, and a drone delivers it to your doorstep within minutes. Many companies are already testing drone deliveries. 5. Smart contact lenses. Future contact lenses may display navigation, messages, and health information directly in front of your eyes. It's like having a smartphone inside your vision. 4. 3D printed houses. Some companies can build an entire house in less than 24 hours using giant 3D printers. This could make homes faster and cheaper to build. 3. Humanoid robots. Robots are becoming more human-like every year. They can walk, talk, recognize faces, and even perform difficult tasks. In the future, robots may become part of everyday life. 2. Quantum computers. Quantum computers can solve problems that would take normal computers thousands of years. They could revolutionize medicine, finance, and scientific research. 1. Nuclear fusion energy. Scientists are working on fusion energy, a clean and nearly unlimited source of power. If successful, it could solve the world's energy crisis. Which technology are you most excited about? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InfoVishva for more amazing facts about science, technology, history, animals, space, and our incredible world.